All right, after a couple of days of pause, I'm back. So this is our part 7, I think. It doesn't matter. So just watch the previous ones if I'm talking too slow, because it's kind of late in the night. Again, just a reminder, watch it on double speed. So what we're going to do today, very briefly, I don't have much time, so let's try to do it after the next steps that we defined last time. Oh shoot, crap. My files were not saved. Yikes. I defined a very nice structure. Let me see if I can find it again. If not, that's not okay. Just one moment. So here, oh no, actually, crap. Not a great start today. Nope, it's not here. Damn it. Then I guess we can repeat the exercise. So the idea is to redefine the structure of the tables. So we're gonna have again interview, then we're gonna have prediction, interviews, predictions, and I suppose they have to be with small letter. And then you're gonna have interviews, predictions. So the idea is that we can have a prediction that is made in multiple interviews, and also we can have interview that has multiple predictions. How do we define prediction in first place? First of all, a prediction is defined by two main things. One is what exactly you're predicting, and the second thing is when do you expect this thing to be happening. So as there is a couple of examples at a few lines below, a colonized Mars by 2022 and colonized Mars by 2029 are two different predictions. But again, the same prediction could be done in multiple interviews. So you can predict that you're going to colonize Mars by 2022 in 2017 and then in 2019. That counts for the same prediction. So the fields that we're going to need, everything needs to have in the database its unique ID, which is going to be integer. Then the next will be I don't know how to name it. Title, description, prediction. I suppose prediction. And it's going to be string. Then target date. Date. This is going to be date without time, because these kind of predictions are not okay. Shit. Apparently this thing finally got synchronized. Yep. Let's see. If I can copy this one and just go over it with you, that will be awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply delete this, and I'm going to just walk you over what I came up today. Overwrite. Okay, good. So the first is going to be prediction table. Prediction table is going to have, as we discussed, ID. Today the prediction I named it go, which actually kind of makes more sense. It should be string. Then there's go date, date without time, and then the foreign keys will be linked to the interviews in which it's made. Then we have an interview table. We have integer, which is the ID. Then we have date, interviewer, title, link, platform, description, transcript. I'm not really sure created at and updated at are really necessary, but I suppose they're going to be automatically filled up, so we can just follow along. Then we're going to have one moment, I don't like the cam like this. Yeah, and then we're going to have another table which is combining both, and it's going to be interview predictions table. Apparently I have to get used to this Python / MySQL style of writing with small letters in the beginning of the words and under bars between the words, because I'm coming from C# and everything there is Pascal case, which means starting with capital letter and every consecutive word in the name of the method or variable is starting with a capital letter, as opposed to camel case where you start with small letter, everything else is capital. Anyways, doesn't matter. So then in this table we would have interview ID, and then we're going to have a prediction ID, which is going to combine both. So if we have prediction ID, like prediction number 1, we have it in interview 137 and 11. We're going to have 137, 11. We're going to have 4 different records. The status of each of these predictions I'm not really sure if this status should be here or inside of the predictions, because if you have it in multiple interviews, the status should be always the same. So that means that because the interview has a single goal date, that means that it can, if this date is passed and it's not done, that means that the interview, the goal is being missed. But if there's still time, it could be that the status is in progress, or if it's cancelled, it's cancelled. So yeah, that's wrong. So I'm gonna put this one here. Okay, I'm glad that we went over it, and now I think this is better. So what we're gonna do is first of all, we're gonna open Claude, which I already have here, and do I want to send everything? Yeah, I do have a lot of tokens. So I would say let's do it like this. So what I'm going to say is I have existing models for the tables, interviews, and predictions, but I would like to change them according to the following specs. Let's see what's gonna spit. Copy, paste. Okie dokie. All right, so let's start one by one. We can go to predictions.py. Let's copy this, and I'm gonna go to models, predictions.py, and I'm gonna paste this here and let's read through. So we're importing the database, we're importing date time, we're defining class prediction, which has a parameter DB model, it has ID, integer, primary key, gold, which is string, 500 letters, that's good, go date, nullable, okay, status could be its enumeration, in progress, achieved, cancelled, missed. Prediction status, default value in progress. Okay, created that. Okay, and updated at. Okay, and there's also interviews, which is DB relationship with interview, secondary interview. What the hell? No. Should be interviews, I think. Let's clarify that. That's a good thing. So, how do I do that? Explain. Let's see if how is it going to explain it. Certainly, this line defines many-to-many relationship between prediction and interview. Model using SQA, Alchemy, ORM, future. Let's break it down. Relationship. This is an SQL function used to define a relationship between models. Interview is the name of the related model. Okay. Too much explanation here. I don't want to read that, so I'm going to ask directly. Isn't the relationship should be named interviews since it can be in many interviews? Also, the table names should they be interviews and predictions, or this is just the model name, but the tables will have a plural name. Okay, absolutely right. Apologize for the oversight. Let's correct that. Okie dokie. All right. Prediction. Nice. This is keeping it as version 2. Oh my god. Ooh, even the table name is changed. Nice. I like that. So let's go back. Oh, not here, but here. And paste it. So we have a predictions name and a relation. Back populates predictions. But again, the relationship is called interview. Are you so stupid or? But again, isn't the relationship correct name is interviews, not interview? You're absolutely right. I predicted it. Motherfucker. But yet again, it's still named it interview. Oh my god. Jesus. but here it still says interview, not as. What the actual fuck? Oh, cool. That's not good. This is really not good. Missing these kind of things is not okay. Okay. Can you give me the other files, but pay attention to the correct naming, please? Give me prediction. Now it's gonna give me interviews predictions. Awesome. So let's find interview, but that means the file must be named interviews, and this one must be named predictions. Okay, so predictions, blah blah blah. But actually, I'm not sure the model should be named predictions. Nah, the name should be prediction. Yeah, because the class. Fuck. This one is prediction. I actually am not sure at the moment. This is pretty stupid because usually when you define a model, it should be a single, but I think this one is describing the database. Yeah, this one should be prediction. This one should be interview. So this one should be, the class should be interview. Can I refactor that? Refactor. I want to name this one, I don't know. Okay, this is interview, and this is prediction. This is interview prediction. Okay. Okay. And then let's check this out. There's going to be tons of errors now. Throw v, import db, interview predictions, blah blah blah. Interview ID, prediction ID. Okay. Interview. I'm not sure if this should be like this. Motherfucker. What is the correct naming of the model classes? Should it be interview or interviews? Not the tables, but the model classes. Should it be prediction or predictions? And this one, how it should be. Let's see what it's gonna say, although I don't trust it anymore. Apologize for the confusions. Your right question. Let's clarify. Yes. 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 Okay. So if we go here, maybe that's why. Maybe I'm the stupid person. Yes, because I suppose this prediction is for the. It's not the name. Yeah, this is looking for the class. That's why. Looks like I'm the stupid one. So let's just Okay. Let's go back. Which one I clicked? I clicked on interview. So I'm going to interview. Yeah, this is predictions and this is prediction. Okay. And then we go to, oopsie, this is interview. Okay. Let's close that. Let's close everything else. It kind of look funny. So now let's go to prediction. Prediction, save, close, and the last one would be this one. I guarantee this is not gonna run from the first time. Okay, Docker compose. I think it's probably better to down it, and I would delete the volume. Where's the volume? I guess it's this one. So I'm gonna just delete the volume. This is gonna create a mess with the migrations and everything, but let's see. Compose up. Yeah. No, this is the wrong one, sorry. Only the app, and okay, this was expected. Okay. Now let's try again to clean up this. Okay. Yikes. These did not escape. 127. Boom. Haha. Elon fan. Wow. Prediction. Holy shit. That was created from the start. I am fully surprised. Okay. Let's have a look what we have here. And maybe we can fill up. In the meantime, let's. Okay, it worked. Can you please create 2 fake interviews with 3 fake predictions made in a random way, and make me a big SQL to fill up the seed data from the PG admin. Man, that's awesome. Blah blah blah. Oh wow. Nice. So what is wrong with you? You're currently running version 8.1 PG admin. However, okay, whatever. I don't care. So register server db db 0 and then save. So we go here, database, Elon fan, and then schemas. I can go here, SQL, and how do I run this shit? Is it from here? No. Haha. Grant O, statistic dependencies, no. How do I run? Catalog, extensions, language. That's the first time I'm running something here. So tables, interviews, dashboard, no. Okay. Okay, copy. We're gonna play dumb again. We're not gonna play, we are dumb. Actually, I am dumb, nobody else is. So from where do I execute SQL in this UI? In the meantime, we're gonna load the code, the SQL, and I'm gonna search again. Right click on Elon fan database. In the object explorer to the left side from the context menu query tool, this will open a new tab. Okay, good. So we go to Elon fan, then query tool. Awesome. And there's a execute script, and this was a successful. Let's go here. Nice. 3 interviews, 3 predictions. But I don't have anything in the I think the table was not created properly. Yeah. So we have this. We have go date status. Okay, but interview predictions. Let's see. The interview predictions table looks like this. Is it not created properly? Yeah, because I see here that it actually adds the values. So there's something wrong with the table. Let's see if I go to PG and find interview predictions. We can go here and see columns. And the columns are this, this, and this. Oh, okay. View all rows. Yeah, they are completely correct. So they're just simply not presented well in the dashboard, but they are there. Okay. Based on image, it appears that the interview prediction table is not displaying any data columns, which suggests it might not have been created properly, or it's empty. To address this issue, no. It is simply not shown correctly in the admin, but this is not important now. Please generate 10 more interviews with another 5 predictions so we can have more data. I'm sure he ever had, he never had interview with Anderson Cooper. With Neil deGrasse. Oof, I hate this bitch. Kara Swisher, okay. MKBHD, Lex, Tim Urban, Trevor Noah, never. Bill Gates. Jesus. That's never happening. At least most of it is not happening. Okay, so we go to PG admin, right click to Elon fan, and we go to query tool, paste this, and run. Execute. Error. Let's see how we're gonna fix it. I was just gonna say it's awesome because it creates them. Kara Swisher, you can remove Kara Swisher. I hate this bitch. But I like the names. SpaceX, the future of space exploration. Okay, copy. I usually, there's problems with like apostrophes. I didn't even look what it says. Okay, nice. Now let's have a look in the admin, predictions, interviews. All right, so the next most important step is to backup. So let's see what was the command. Terminal command. There was database backup. It's this one. Please backup without dying. Oh, nice. So we go to EV backups, and today is the 24th of September. What? Why there's no backup from today? 2024 Oh, because I don't know why. I don't know from where it takes the time, but for some reason it thinks today is the 23rd. So 22, 21, 24, 39. Yeah, that's the backup. Let's see. If I see this bitch name, that means it's current. Swisher. There you go. Swisher. Okay. I think this is a great achievement. For starters, everything worked from the first time. Very minor issues. So yeah, I hope this is not super long video. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye.